Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic in another episode of Not All the Crystals of One Color Are Created the Same. I'm sure you all have one or two or maybe more black crystals in your collection. A common characteristic of black crystals is that they are used for grounding and protection. Like red, they are associated to the root chakra, but you might want to use them for the earth chakra, black. How do we know that we are using the correct crystal? Let's take a look at the most common, meaning affordable and easy to find crystals in your favorite metaphysical store. Let's start with black onyx. Onyx comes in different colors. Banded, multicolor, and black are the most common. This is a very popular crystal for amulets and jewelry. It is an earth chakra crystal. For those whose energies are all over the place, it helps with concentration and stay focused. It helps to manage stress and grief. In the psychic aspect, it's a good crystal to explore past lives and heal issues that created past life trauma. If you're exploring psychic abilities, use onyx to practice psychometry. Black obsidian. This is a rock that forms by rapid cooling of volcano lava. In the past, it was used to make tools and weapons because it cuts nicely. Obsidian shields from negativity and is a great crystal for cutting ties. Cut off all those beliefs, thoughts, emotions, and habits that no longer serve you. Snowflake Obsidian is a variation of obsidian, and you can see it in the picture. It's easy to recognize because of the white and light gray spots. One more thing with obsidian, if you get a nice sized piece, you can practice scrying. Jet is fossilized wood. Like the other black stones, it shares the ability to protect and ground. Jet is special though because it helps break with negative behavioral patterns and with irrational fears, fear of dark forces or attacks. Black agate is the crystal to help you see what lies beneath or what is behind what you're avoiding or fear. It's a good crystal to overcome obstacles and limitations. It is grounding and calming energy that promotes balance of mind, body, and spirit. Shungite. The first thing I'm going to say about this rock is do your homework and make sure you obtain it from reputable dealers or stores. Shungite is known for being a purification stone, especially when used for water and antibacterial properties. That has to do with carbon content, which has to be very high. When it comes to the metaphysical, this stone works in the upper chakras. Like black tourmaline, it has that energy shield, protects from electromagnetic fields and psychic attacks. It also helps with astral travel. My top pick for black crystals is black tourmaline, and I'm not going to expand on this video because I have mentioned this crystal in probably half my videos so far. And there's also a blog in my website. You can check it out. I'm gonna post the link below and see why I think black tourmaline is the bomb. You can find it anywhere, it's affordable, and it has layers of protection from the physical all the way to the psychic aspects. Question: what your favorite black crystal is and what do you use it for? Let me know in the comments below, and also tell me which color do you want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.